Okay. All are joining. Okay, Anjali, continue you.
Okay, ma'am. 3 facts to develop a positive attitude and confidence. First, positive assertion. When interacting with yourself inside your inner earth controls your inner emotion. Use positive assertion in a good and a positive way. Here are some tips to build and boost confidence. I love myself and I can achieve it. Second, positive visualization. Maybe the most remarkable capacity that you have is the capacity to imagine and consider yourself to be effectively refined. All improvement in your life starts with an enhancement and improvement in your psychological picture. Third, positive people. Your decision of individual with whom you are live, work, and partner will affect your feelings and prosperity that some other factor. Conclude today to connect with CHAM with positive individuals, with individuals who are upbeat and idealistic and who are heading off to some place with their lives. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. I am seeing some of the new faces today in the class. Okay. Parmeshwar Yadav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Parmeshwar.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
I am Parmeshwar Yadav from CSC branch. Today's topic is social attitude and confidence. Confidence is a good quality of any living thing. Confidence is all about your own belief in yourself, whereas attitude is very complex thing to define. We can say attitude as overconfidence. Actually, the term attitude may differ in different situations. Example, if someone say I can win the race, then it's confidence. But if someone says no one can defeat me in this race, it may be overconfidence
No
or
one
attitude.
can differ. What you have told?
Yes, ma'am.
No one can defeat or differ.
Defeat. D-E.
Yeah.
T.
Okay.
It may be overconfidence or attitude, but it can be justified as a wrong. It depends upon the situation and perspective. Maybe it's positive attitude to motivate the self and gain the self-confidence. Thank you.
Thank you. Who has not got the chance? Parveen Singh Kuntia. Okay. Okay. Parveen Singh Kuntia.
Wait a second, ma'am.
Okay. Vinit Singh, please go ahead. Parveen will speak afterward. Vinit Singh, go ahead.
Good morning to everyone. I am Vineet Singh and today we are going to discuss about social attitude and confidence. At first, let us discuss about what is attitude. A social attitude is an accurate tendency to evaluate social things in a specific way. It is characterized by positive or negative beliefs, feelings and behaviors towards a particular entity. Nowadays, confidence plays a great role. Confidence reflects in the way you carry yourself. Some people are good communicators, but when it comes to addressing a large number of people, they lose their confidence. Problems such as stage fear, nervousness disappear when you have confidence in yourself. Public speaking is not everyone's cup of tea. Not every individual is comfortable standing in front of a large audience, making eye contact with them and delivering his content. Dressing also plays an essential role in public speaking. It is the way you dress which speaks volume about your personality and confidence. A public speaker needs to dress as per the occasion, time, and session. If you are addressing your office colleagues during the office hour, it is essential to stick to formal dressing. Wearing the right clothes make you confident and you generally feel good from inside. There are 5 basic facts to develop a positive attitude and confidence. Positive assertion. When interacting with yourself inside, your inner urge controls your inner emotions. Use positive assertion in a good and positive way. Positive visualization. Maybe the most remarkable capacity that you have is the capacity to imagine and consider yourself to be effectively refined. Make an unmistakable, energizing image of your goals, targets, objectives, and your optimal life, and replay this image in your brain again and again. Positive people. Your decision of individual with whom you live, work, and partner will affect your feeling and your prosperity. That's some other factor. Positive mental food. Similarly, as your body is beneficial to how much you practice good eating habits, nutritious food source. Almost every individual in society starts one day with limited resources. So for having a positive attitude, confidence, we have to keep all these things in our mind. That's all for today. Thank you.
Okay, Shubham Kumar Mato.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You have
Hello,
complete.
ma'am.
Yeah, hello.
Ma'am, I am present, but you have absent me.
What your name?
Safa Kanjum.
Okay, Safiq, please, Safiq Anjuman, please speak on today's topic.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good morning, all of you. Today's topic is social attitude and confidence.
Yeah.
Social attitude is the broad terminology which encompasses the beliefs, feelings, and
Why I
actions.
make you absent, you know, Safiq Anjuman? Why I make you? Because you are joining, leaving. You are joining, leaving. That's why I made you absent.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, I can show you. I have some of the screenshots. You are continuously joining and leaving the class. When you are seeing that someone's turn is there, you are just leaving the class.
No, ma'am. Maybe it's network issue.
Okay, I don't know. Please go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Social attitude is the broad terminology which encompasses the beliefs, feeling, and action predisposition of an individual or group of individuals towards objects, philosophies, and individuals in social context. Confidence is just inner feeling that you have potential of performing a task. You feel secure in performing a task or something rather than insecure. Confidence is path you carry yourself. There are wealth of benefits that comes from healthy self-confidence. Self-confidence is tool that can help you manage your fears, tackles life's challenges with more certainty and maintain a positive mental attitude. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you all of you. Today's class is over.
Excuse me,
We're
ma'am.
having your another class.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I have also been marked absent.
Vinit Singh. Okay, I will mark your
Yes,
attendance.
ma'am.
Okay, now join Manoj
Okay,
sir.
thank you.
Manoj sir class is there. Okay. Thank you all of you. Vinit, only you have the problem. Rest no one have the problem. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Okay. You can leave the class.